The ZEUSLAP Z18TV Pro emerges as a game-changer, revolutionizing the way we interact with our devices. This 18.5 smart portable monitor, available on Aliexpress, seamlessly integrates cutting-edge technology to deliver an unparalleled user experience. Google TV OS integration. Experience the power of entertainment with the Z18TV Pro's built-in Google TV OS. Equipped with within 1 lira license, it effortlessly supports Netflix HD video playback, ensuring you immerse yourself in your favorite shows with stunning clarity. Limitless app access. Say goodbye to limitations with the built-in Google Play Store. From streaming services like Disney Plus and Prime Video to productivity tools, access a vast array of apps tailored to your needs, all within arm's reach. Smart voice control. Embrace convenience with built-in Google Voice assistants. Navigate effortlessly through your TV mode with intuitive voice commands, making your entertainment experience smarter and more seamless than ever before. Effortless wireless connectivity. With built-in Chromecast functionality, wirelessly connect your phone, tablet, or a laptop to the Z18TV Pro for instant sharing of content. Whether it's presentations, videos, or photos, enjoy hassle-free connectivity anytime, anywhere. Powerful performance. Underneath its sleek exterior lies a robust quad-core quad-thread 2GB DDR4M logic chip running on Android 11. Coupled with dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 plus 5G and Bluetooth 5.0. Experience enhanced stability and compatibility for smooth TV system operation. Plus, Dolby Audio ensures an immersive audio experience to complement the stunning visuals. Immersive visuals. The ZEUSLAP Z18TV Pro boasts an impressive 18.5-inch 1920x1080p Full HD resolution IPS panel with HDR10+. Revel in breathtaking visuals with enhanced detail and vibrant colors, elevating your viewing experience to new heights. Enhanced touch functionality. Whether you're using a phone, Windows system, Mac OS, or engaging in business tasks, enjoy precise interaction with support for 10-point multi-touch function on phone and Windows and 5-point touch function on Mac OS, ensuring optimal productivity and efficiency.